In 2017, a Ten Commandments monument was installed on Arkansas State Capitol grounds. Less than 24 hours after its installation, though, the monument was destroyed. Now there is a new Ten Commandments monument at the Capitol. However, this monument is facing an upcoming trial later this summer. I spoke to Dr. Dylan McElmore about how the First Amendment applies to this upcoming case.
So the First Amendment has two clauses that deal with religion. You have free practice, you're free to worship however you choose, and then kind of tied into that is the Establishment Clause, which says that the government can't set up a state religion, but it also says, and this is where the Ten Commandments monument would come in, it also says that the government can't appear to favor one religion over others. When other faiths have tried to say, we want a space too, they've said no. And so precedent would suggest that's going to be a problem for them when this gets in front of the courts.
In 2005, there was a similar trial involving a Ten Commandments monument at the Texas State Capitol. This was ruled constitutional since the monument had historic value.
Essentially, if it's older, if it's already existed for a while, it has a chance that the religious message isn't the primary message anymore. That it becomes more about the nation's traditions and how it was founded and things like that. Newer monuments, which this would be, they say that is more explicit evangelizing. So that would seem to spell problems for the Arkansas monument.
I also spoke to UCA students about the monument.
So I do believe that the Ten Commandments goes against the notion of separating church and state because even though we are in the Bible Belt, we have a very diverse population here in Arkansas. And I mean, we're not all Baptists, we're not all Christian, and I believe that the Ten Commandments monument is very unwelcoming, especially if you put it right in front of the Capitol.
I think it's a good thing to have. I think it is good morals to follow. I believe we're a predominantly Christian state, or I believe that it's deeply rooted in the community's values, so I think that it could extend beyond the Christian faith.
We will just have to wait until the trial later this summer to see what the fate of the Ten Commandments monument will be. Reporting for News 6, I'm Morgan Jenkins.